So the way that volcanoes are portrayed in film and TV, yes, sometimes I do get a bit annoyed. I am a scientist, and when the TV the producers get the science wrong, that does frustrate me. Although it is totally understandable, and I'm sure that lots of people watching their specialist subject have the same thing. I think sometimes, unsurprisingly, volcanoes are portrayed in a very spectacular fashion or a very life and death fashion. And there's so much more to volcanoes than that. There's so much nuance. There's so much about their importance in terms of actually building the beautiful habitable planet that we live on that doesn't get so much airtime.